once again. We'll take a quick look down the hall here. We've been walking around a little bit, but how about this? These are Lee Hodge's cars. 3 HEMIs showing up. Of course, one from '68. And what's unique about this car is that, check out the gold stripe and the green interior and matched green roof. 68 GTX. And then we go to '69, and we've got the Ram Charger hood on the '69 HEMI car. It kind of looks like it's F8 4-screen. And headrest bucket seats. In '68, you didn't need headrest extended. But check it out, it's a 4-speed buddy seat car. So it's got front buckets, it's got the buddy seat in it. Gorgeous, gorgeous project here. Rear scat stripe. That Ram Charger hood was a new innovation, and that twin scoop look, of course, really defined the '69 and '70 Corvette model line. And then ended up on the A body, but not with the big Ram Charger airbox underneath the hood like the B bodies had. And again, another interesting part on the '69 cars was these side scoops. They're just a trim add-on, but again, look cool. And finally, Dale Matthews 1970 HEMI pilot car. This is a car that was built in the middle of 1969 to try out pieces for the 1970 model year. A lot of unique stuff about it. Most notably is that 1969 dash that's in a 1970 Roadrunner. And Dale took 25 years to do this car. He spent 20 years basically getting it documented by all the important people who could look at it, who understood some of this pilot car technology. And it was on display here back in 2014 or 2015. This will be an unofficial unveiling later, but I think Dale wanted to let people take a peek at it last night, and they left the cars uncovered. That's okay. We'll keep walking. A few Corvettes here. Don Hovel Racing, Historic Performance and Preservation. We got a Shelby GT500, 1969. And a Mach 1, 1970, yep. The Drag Pack, Super Cobra Jet 4-speed, one of 857 built that year. So, SEMO Mustang, Classic Mustang Restoration. The Finer Details has got 2 cars here as well. Again, another Demon with that 1972 twin hood scoop, which was actually one of the most effective scoops that came out of Detroit. That was based on the technology that John Bauman had developed for the 6-pack cars in 1969, but had the snorkel added on to it. And pretty cool piece. And a '69 Charger. Mike Sarawick owns that. FinerDetails.com. Midwest Muscle Car Restorations got one under wraps, and they've got that GTO over here. Here comes the Judge in white. This is a '64 Tri-Power that's going to get unveiled later today. So, all right. Well, anyway, that's it for right now. And just remember, if you can't beat Joe Dirt, act like him. This is Stunder.